Sa mga nag-aantay ng leak sa Oppo Find X9 series, makinig kayong mabuti! According kay GSM Arena, yung lineup ng Find X9 series is as follows: Find X9, Find X9 Plus, Find X9 Pro, and Find X9 Ultra. Sabi din ni Digital Chat Station na yung Find X9 will offer a 6.3-inch screen. Find X9 Plus should go up to 6.59 inches panel, while the X9 Pro and Ultra will get 6.78 inches display. Yung tatlo daw ay magkakaroon ng AMOLEDs with 1.5K resolution. Tapos yung chipset ng Find X9 Plus and Pro ay yung upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 9500. Habang yung Find X9 Ultra naman ay naka-Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Para sa camera naman, yung tatlong variants ng Find X9 will have a triple cameras with a dedicated periscope, and Ultra variant will have 200 megapixel telephoto lens alongside a 50 megapixel periscope capable of 10 times optical zoom. Early leaks pa lang ito, so expect na natin na it is subject to change. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo dito? Follow us for more tech news.